So on Annie and I's morning walk this morning, I found something pretty cool. Free wood, baby. Starting fires isn't the only thing cardboard's good for. First off today, we're gonna take a bunch of cardboard so we can make Jade's big old body. Here's the man with the cardboard. Look at that, the whole side of Jade right here. Nice. Genuine Mopar. Genuine Mopar cardboard. It's getting better than that. I think we got enough here. Oh yeah, that's a huge piece of cardboard. Okay, good work. She's gonna be a big girl. We're gonna need a lot of cardboard.
This is literally all of Jade out of cardboard.
We could just leave it, you know, throw some olive drab on there.
The Never Wet. Spray that all over it. Just slides right off.
You're running around with your friends, huh? You got another chew toy, I see. Now that Jimmy's gone.
74.5 inches from the mattress to the very tip top.
It's pretty cool. Looking at 6 foot 2 to the ceiling right now. I'm 6 foot, so I would actually be able to stand in there.
I mean, for a mock-up, this is more than what you could have bargained for, right?
No, for sure. And like doing it on a computer just doesn't do it.
Oh, no, absolutely.
You know, you can't really tell until you put it in person, but.
No, I mean, we're just.
Man,
I mean,
it looks awesome.
But it looks really good.
The departure angle and back is phenomenal. Barely, I mean, that's gotta be, I don't even think that's an LJ length. I mean, that's gotta be barely more than stock. 10 inches above the windshield, above the door frame right there. And the bed is like 6'8" right now. So I think it looks pretty proportional. Super happy with this. Over a couple hours, we've adjusted the length and back and where we want this to angle, but this is a nice 45-degree angle. Cutting up, I think it looks freaking awesome. Kinsey is 5'1", so she might be able to walk the whole bed and still be able to stand.
Let's just go from 5'1" here. Now I'm not gonna be able to hold it exactly straight.
Yeah.
But here's 5'1", top of the mattress.
Should be able to get halfway.
About halfway.
Roughly.
Just to be able to stand up though and change or whatever would be so nice.
Oh yeah.
You might have to like kind of hunch over like for some stuff.
We can't get everything.
Yeah, I mean you're not gonna be able to like put your arms up in the air. No jumping jacks in sight of Jade, but other than that.
Without that pickup bed overhang, like it doesn't even look that long anymore. It's shorter than a 4-door JKU. Shorter than Land Cruiser. Until you have it set up like this in person, you just don't know what it's gonna end up turning out like. The other thing I was worried about was if the 33s were gonna look too small, but I don't think they do. I think they look good. So it's the next morning. We slept on it. We thought about it. Drop down table on this side. Drop down bench on this side too. You can sit. You can eat. You can edit. You can do whatever. We just designed this lower portion of the rear part of the body here to get a good idea visually again. And where the bumper would be. Should protect it.
It's gonna be really slick when it's all done. The nice thing about doing a 45 on everything is easy cut.
Yeah, keeping everything 45. Hey, you want some attention? What are you doing? You think Jade looks good? What do you think of your new house? Looks pretty good, eh? This would be the shower door. Open that up. On this side would be that pull-out kitchen. Open it this way. Have an outlet. Big slide out. Fridge, grill, sink. You imagine this as a big awning coming over it.
So the goal is where you can have it come out as big of an awning as you can get.
Yeah.
And then you're all inside here. And when this slides out, it's probably going to be, the full length of Jade.
Yeah, 59 inches.
Here.
Yeah.
We'll have a hookup where it can have a bracket here on the bottom of the awning, so then it will hang the shower head right here. So your awning, even when it's out, you can shower out here. Either you can get a standalone shelter, or if you're feeling brave and no one's around, you know. You
oh yeah, let it all hang out.
You can make your eggs and pancakes right here while you're showering.
Hey, It's like that Kramer, you're saying, the Seinfeld episode.
Well, the bottom of the shower.
So what are you up to?
Oh, just cooking up a little thank you for Putty. Hey, how do you make those radish roses?
Insert a knife into the center and twist, then to make it bloom, soak it in water for 30 to 40 minutes.
No problem there.
I also want to fabricate a magnetic shower like head holder so that if you needed to shower on the backside, you could unclip it and then magnet it onto the steel structure that we're going to build for the back for your motorcycle and stuff.
Nice.
So literally it would allow you to move anywhere that the hose would allow you to move.
It'll be easy for plumbing too because we'll have the tank right in here inside protected, and then the plumbing will just run out to this door, so it'll be nice for that as well.
Yeah, and the nice thing is with the flexible hose and then having your sink right here, you can pull it off the shower and then wash your vegetables and stuff and control your heat temperature right here while you're doing all your cooking right here.
Yeah.
Wash dishes, and then on the bottom of the sink we'll make it so it can adapt to a hose, and then you can run it away from your campsite so you don't have to worry about water in this general area. So
Heck yeah. This whole side of Jade will provide basically everything you could ever want. Everyone thinks she's gonna be so big, but honestly right now she's sitting on at least 3-inch casters, and when I used to have a roof rack on top, and I used to have 15-inch tall totes, which put her about 20 inches over the roof, and right now it's 10 inches over the roof. She's not even gonna be as top heavy or as tall as she's ever been, so I don't think we're gonna lose any off-road capability. Few more adjustments. This is the updated final form. We have the top angled the same with the windshield. Got that nice 45 in back, tucked up back there. Had to make sure, wanted to do any updates because this is what we're gonna base the whole build after, so this is it, this is what we're going with. I think it looks great. I'm excited. It's really cool to finally see it in the flesh. There is 2 people I need to thank specifically, Alex Davies and Martin Dorrance. For whatever reason it may have been, whatever compelled you to want to support the channel, can't thank you enough. So all of you guys, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon. Tons of updates to come.
One sec, this is Perry. How can I help you?
Yes, I just need to cancel an existing order for an item that's been out of stock for the last 3 weeks.
One sec, this is Perry. How can I help you?
Yes, I just need to cancel my existing order.
Your last name? Okay, that's the board support.
Yes, it's been out of stock for 3 weeks.
Yeah, the passenger side, the driver's side shipped out already.
Yeah, I needed both 3 weeks ago.
Alright. Okay, you want me to cancel that off?
Yes.
Alright, I'll cancel it.
All right.
Nope. Alright.
Turds. So yeah, guys, over 15 minutes waiting to cancel an order that has been out of stock for 3 weeks. No apologies, no nothing, just okay. Yep. Quadra check. That was the last time I'm ordering from you guys.